I'm Karien van der Merwe. I'm the founder and CEO of Edu-Nature Pty Limited. I created this company after a decade of experience with the St. John's Wilderness Schools and decided to bring this service to everybody. We're an outdoor-based company that do school camps, team buildings, leadership courses, equine-assisted programs. We offer opportunities for farrier training and also CETA trainings. So all things nature, all things horses, that's what Edu-Nature do. If you want more information, please go to our website www.edunature.co.za. We hope to see you soon at one of our venues, which are countrywide.
Hi, I'm Tani. I am South African born. I went to France to learn more about horse training. It changed my life and I came back to South Africa. With my knowledge that I've gained in France, I am now part of the Edu-Nature team. And we teach leadership through the connection to horses and to nature and oneself. So as you can see, a connection. This is a 2-month-old foal, and this is the mother. And the foal is happy to be led by the person who's leading. So this is a beautiful connection without the mother calling the foal and without the foal calling the mother.
Hi, I'm Jean, co-owner of Edu-Nature. Nature has an incredible way of teaching us about strength, adaptability and purpose. My mission is to guide and inspire the next generation to embrace these lessons, develop confidence and step to their full potential. At Edu-Nature, we don't just teach leadership, we live it, experience it and grow through it. And I can't wait to share that journey with you.